Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Yanni and Leo. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, John. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start. In the past 3 days, we explored balancing the first three chakras separately: root chakra, sacral, and solar plexus chakras. Combined, those chakras represent our belonging in the physical world. Often, our unconscious intention while working with chakras is to get to this blissful state of oneness with the universe, achieve a deep connection with the divine. So very often we tend to focus on the more ethereal aspects of chakra balancing, and that's great. However, because we live in a physical body, there is absolutely no way we can connect with our higher self without getting grounded in our physical expression, without the solid foundation of embodying our right to be here without fear, which is the domain of our root chakra, our right to feel without guilt, represented by the sacral chakra, and our right to act without shame, our solar plexus chakra. Only when our connection to the physical world is enforced and harmonized, embodied, we can move upward to the more subtle expression of our being. So today we will work exactly on that. Focus on the 3 lower chakras at the same time, allowing our physical expression to flourish. And we will do it in a non-traditional way, combining chakra balancing practice with one of our favorites practice, quantum jumping. We're going to lead ourselves into our subconscious or parallel universe, whatever you want to call it, where our twin self already has the lower 3 chakras nicely balanced, and our twin self lives in harmony with the physical world and their physical expression in this world. So let's try that today. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice how you're feeling today. What's going on for you physically, emotionally, mentally? Relax your breath, allow it to be natural, and just follow the rise and fall of your breath as it expresses itself in your body. Relax your eyes, your lips, your jaw, tongue, neck, arms and hands, legs and feet. Relax your whole body. Mentally or out loud, repeat after me. My body rests and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. My body rests and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. I am relaxed now. I am relaxed now. Close your eyes if they are not closed already, and imagine that you are standing at the top of the stairway with 10 steps leading down. Slowly, mindfully, start taking the steps down as I count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now you're at the bottom of the staircase, deep in your subconscious. Imagine the transit door in front of you. The transit door leading to a space where your twin self has already achieved this harmony in the physical world, has their 3 lower chakras harmonized and balanced. So before opening the door, set your intention on meeting this twin self. I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3, the door will open and you will step in. 1, 2, 3. The door opens You come in, look around and feel around. Notice what's going on there, how you're feeling in the space. Whether you see your twin self or don't, it's okay. Just know that in this universe, in this space, your twin self embodies the right to be here without fear, which means your twin self feels safe and secure physically, emotionally, financially, is able to feel grounded, able to be still, present in the here and now. In this space, your twin self embodies the right to feel without guilt, which means maintaining healthy boundaries, able to enjoy life's pleasures, being passionate, able to embrace change without freaking out, feeling and acting gracefully. In this space, your twin self embodies the right to act without shame, which means they are responsible, reliable, self-confident, spontaneous, decisive, empowered. So imagine your twin self now. Notice how all of those rights to be here without fear, to feel without guilt, and to act without shame, how does it all manifest in the way your twin self walks and talks and just is? Observe that. Do you want to ask your twin self any specific question? Or maybe simply absorb their energy? I'll give you a minute in silence to do whatever feels right for you in this moment. Enjoy your interaction. And now it is time to wrap things up, so thank your twin self, say your goodbyes, and walk back to your transit door. I'll give you a few moments for that, no rush. I'm gonna count from 1 to 3 again, and on the count of 3, the door will open, and you will step back towards me. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come back in. The door closes behind you. Walk back to the bottom of the staircase. Now you see 10 steps going up. Before we start our journey back to our conscious, logical mind, place your hands on your heart and repeat after me. Every day, in every way, I am feeling better and better. I have the right to be here without fear. I have the right to feel whatever I feel without guilt. I have the right to act without shame. I am a unique human being. There is no one else like me. I value myself. I am enough. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 10, and on each ascending count, you're going to take a step up, going back to your thinking, logical mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Before we complete our practice today, you may want to set an intention for the rest of your day. Take a moment to do it. And now one last time, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. And on the count of 3, you'll open your eyes and feel wide awake and alert. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, wide awake and alert. Feeling wonderfully refreshed. Feeling better than you did before. Ready to start your day, knowing that whatever you do, whatever you feel, whatever you are, is perfectly enough. You are a unique human being, and there is no one else like you. And you are ready to give the world the gift of you. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.